Growing up, I had always daydreamed about the perfect relationship. One where the chemistry between two people came almost effortlessly, but inspired you to do everything you can to make the other smile, laugh, and know that wherever the two of us may be, we can always find home in each other.
When I was 6 years old, all I ever wanted to do was play house. I'd sneak off and steal my mom's wedding ring, sorry Mom, and dance around the living room, imagining what life would be like when I had my very own. You see, when you're 6, you assume that being married means you'll have a best friend to dance around the house with. You'll share your favorite snacks. You'll stay up late because you can't stop laughing. And pinky promise forever to someone who will hold your hand when you're scared. Today, at 27 years old, I'm standing with someone who has only proved that 6-year-old to be completely right about marriage.
Oh, beautiful.
As we stand here today, I'm confident that I am promising forever to my soulmate, the one baby Rach was imagining all those years ago.
More than anything, I vow to spend every day showing you how much I love you, to make you smile and laugh every chance I get.
I caught a glimpse of her, like, right here, and lost it.
Yeah, you did. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
To earn the privilege of an eternity alongside you, for always.
By the beautiful state of Maine, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Introducing for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Maida. Dylan, you may now kiss your bride.
I vow to support you in all that you pursue, to be your shoulder to lean on when things get tough, and to be the first person to cheer you on and celebrate with you for every coming chapter in the lives we will have together.
Getting to call you my husband is the greatest privilege. You've grown up with me, kept me safe when I've been scared, danced with me in every single room in our home, and sometimes in store aisles too. You even built me my very own ring that reminds me of the one I stared at when I was that 6-year-old little girl. And for this and a million other reasons, I promise to spend the rest of my life showing you just how deeply in love with you I am.